Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin using Binance peer-to-peer trading, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase cryptocurrency directly from other users. Step 1. Create a Binance account if you don't have one by visiting the official Binance website, clicking Register, and completing the sign-up process including email verification and identity verification. Step 2. Navigate to the P2P trading section by clicking on the P2P or peer-to-peer option in the main menu. This feature allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other Binance users. Step 3. Select your preferred payment method from options like bank transfer, online payment platforms, cash deposit, or other methods supported by sellers in your region. Filter offers based on your payment preference. Step 4. Browse available sell offers by reviewing the listed prices, available amounts, seller completion rates, number of trades completed, and user reviews. Choose a seller with good ratings and competitive prices. Step 5. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of money you want to spend. The system will automatically calculate the equivalent amount based on the seller's exchange rate. Step 6. Click Buy and review the trade details, including payment instructions, time limit for payment completion, and seller's terms. Read everything carefully before proceeding. Step 7. Make payment to the seller using the payment method specified, following their instructions exactly. Complete the payment within the time window provided, typically 15 to 30 minutes, or the order will be automatically canceled. Step 8. Mark the payment as completed in Binance and wait for the seller to confirm receipt and release the Bitcoin to your account. The cryptocurrency is held in escrow during the trade to protect both parties. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.